Welch Village, here I come. Getting off this damn highway because I don't know what the hell people are thinking. Be like hours before I get there. Look at this. This is what we're subjecting ourselves to. People refuse to stay inside, and so do I. This is gonna be one treacherous effing drive. It is slippery. At this point, I don't even know what I'm doing. This is insane. I am on 42 and I can't see where the edges of the road are. I'll fucking run off this shit. Just follow someone. This guy in front of me ain't got no lights, man. This is such a typical thing in Minnesota. Well, he's got brake lights, that's good. Jesus Christ. I'll be surprised if this highway's even open. I don't know what I'm doing. If I let off the brakes right now, I won't be able to stop and I will hit that car in front of me. And there is some guy in a ditch up there and this is gonna take forever. I can't even put it in park because if I put it in park, I'm literally going to slide. And if someone comes up behind me, dude, oh my god, I'm gonna get hit. Man, I don't dare go. This is so scary. It is an ice rink. This is such a bad idea. I'm literally sliding. I cannot fucking stop. I barely stopped right now. Okay, we're about to go down this steep ass hill to Welch. Oh shit, there's a car in the ditch right there. He didn't even get to the hill. I don't know if this is a good idea. We'll see how this goes. And there's someone behind me. And there's someone ahead of me. Yay! Please be full of sand. And salt. Mostly sand. I'm gonna fucking take it really slow. I can see the line a little bit, I think, in the road, but I can't. It's kind of hard to tell. This guy's taking it nice and slow. I'm gonna do exactly what he's doing. Oh man, we're on a straightaway. Speed up a little.
Hey, here's a cool thing. So Foo Fighters
shouldn't have to push on the gas to go.
Town always put on a great show. They have the XL Energy Center. Now the show's not till the fall.
What did her daddy do?
Will go on sale this Friday morning.
What did he put you through?
If you are caller 10-651-989-4893. Give me a jingle. This is Jason Isbell.
You need to go faster. Come on. Slam on your brakes. You gotta go up this hill, stupid. Go. Oh my god. Okay. Stupid ass. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. Oh shit, I'm sliding. Dumbass people, man. Getting close. If this place is closed, I'm gonna be upset. It's been like, when did I leave? Like 10 after, quarter after 2. 2 hours it took me to get here. And I'm sick, but I don't care. Oh shit, oh shit. Take it easy. This is gonna be epic. I think I made it. I am definitely taking the long way home. I am not going over those hills. I knew that was gonna happen. I thought it was gonna be worse even. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. I think I made it. I am definitely taking the long way home. I am not going over those hills. I knew that was gonna happen. I thought it was gonna be worse even. I don't know what the hell I was thinking. Ooh, that is pretty. Look at this. Beautiful. Unbelievable. Never see this in Minnesota. Oh man. Spectacular. Coming into Welch. Look at all that snow on the trees. Trees are white, completely white. Really beautiful. Look at this. Creek. So beautiful. 100% worth it just driving over here. Well, as long as I get some runs in, otherwise it's about 50% worth it. And 50% stress. See lights. Tell me those runs are. Oh, there's people on the slopes. Kick ass. This place is open. Why wouldn't it be? Ah, I'm gonna blow by the freaking turn. Oops. It's kind of slippery. Good thing no one's behind me. And there's a lot of people here. Oh, a few people. The other side is closed, which is too bad. course is okay. Louder. I think there's something fucking. Awesome ski trip on my way home. Hope I make it safe.
Mortgages, services, or confidential.
Going back up this hill. Scariest parts of those hills that you saw before. And I'm not looking forward to it.
Snow.
The smart me would look for a different way to go.
I don't know. Somehow we just might.
Sometimes I just ain't that smart.